Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to this 5-minute meditation for beginners. This is day 6 of Awaken the Divine Within. If you're interested after this meditation, you should go back and watch all the videos of this series. Sit up tall, roll your shoulders back, puff your chest out, close your eyes, and start taking some nice, deep breaths slowly in through your nose and out through your nose. Your only job right now is to just focus on your breath. You can also bring the awareness to your chest, feeling as you breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now you will bring your awareness to your big toes. Tingly sensation in your toes. Energy is moving. Your toes are relaxed. Now your entire foot is relaxed. Your ankles are relaxed. Follow with your mind as we guide up the relaxation through your body. Your shins are relaxed. Your knees are relaxed. Your thighs are relaxed. Your hips are relaxed. Your groin is relaxed. This is also where your root chakra is. Your abdomen is relaxed. Your ribs are relaxed. Your heart is relaxed. Your hands are relaxed. Your arms are relaxed. Your throat is relaxed. Now your whole face is relaxed, starting at your chin and your lips and your nose and your cheeks and your eyes and your forehead. Your entire face is relaxed. Continue with your really nice, slow breaths. Bring your focus to the top of your head. Imagine there is a little marble sitting on the top of your head. Your entire mind and body is completely relaxed at this point. Feel the peace running through you. If there's any area of your body where there feels like there may be tension, breathe into that area. Just focus on that area and continue nice, slow breaths in through the nose and out through the nose. If there is no area in particular, bring your attention to your chest. Slowly breathing in and breathing out. And as you are doing this, you are activating the power of your heart, which is 5,000 times stronger than your brain. Continue slow, deep breaths in through your nose, out through your mouth, allowing this life and love energy to overtake you. We're now going to do 2 more nice deep breaths in through the nose, out through the nose. Last breath in through the nose through the nose. Take a moment to sit in stillness. Express gratitude to yourself for this beautiful divine meditation. And hopefully I will see you tomorrow back here again for this meditation. If you enjoyed this at all, please like, subscribe, and save it so that you can easily come back to do this meditation anytime you need to center yourself and be brought into a state of peace. Sending you all of my love, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.